Hello everyone. So let's solve the question. Given to us are three objects: a solid sphere, a thin circular disc, and a circular ring of radius m and r each. Okay, and they all have the spin with same angular speed omega about their symmetry axis. We have to find the order of amount of work required to bring them to rest. Okay, so to solve this question, we need to know the formula for work done. That is, work is equal to loss in the kinetic energy. That is, for in case moment of inertia when it is considered, it is half 1 by 2 into I omega square. Right? Now we simply put in the values. For I, we know omega is constant, so we can say W is directly proportional to I. Right? So putting in the values, IA 2 by 5 mr, that is 0.4 mr square, IB is 0.5 mr square, and IC is mr square. Right? So as I said, from this equation we can say that W is directly proportional to I, as omega is constant. Hence, from this relation we can see that IA, IB, IC are in increasing order. Hence, the order that satisfies from the given options is WC greater than WB greater than WA. This is the correct answer.